Hello, this is a quick video about the SaturnText Distributor Portal. The SaturnText Distributor Portal will allow you to white label the SaturnText platform so that you can either manage your clients or resell to your individual clients. To begin, we'll provide you with a designated email address and password to log into your administrative portal. Upon logging in for the first time, you will be able to set your distributor name. You'll be able to select a logo that will display on the top left-hand side once a user logs in. You'll also be able to designate a subdomain URL. So if you have already purchased your own URL, you will be able to directly forward it right to this URL, and it will actually showcase a similar login page. But rather than showing SaturnText, it will show your own white label solutions. You will also be able to put your company information, including support emails, so your customers can directly communicate with you. At the same time, you have a commission percentage. So this only applies to you if you're going to be reselling the platform. Again, there are two systems which I will talk about briefly. System number one, which if you see here on the businesses page, you can have a section here where you will be managing the payment for a customer, meaning that the customer won't see any type of payment method or anything on their account. Basically, you will have your own main account that you put your credit card number in and you buy your credits in, and your sub-accounts or your clients will be using that primary card. The second way is known as a reseller option. So the option down here is your commission percentage based on your reseller option. So if this is checked, it will automatically increment the price based on what percentage you add. So let's say you put 100% on here, and let's say your base price is at a penny, we will charge them 2 cents. Pretty self-explanatory. You also have the main business account that you will use for billing purposes. We will go over this more in a moment. So when you go to your businesses page right here, this is where you can create additional businesses. If you get a lot of businesses listed, you can also quickly search through them. I only have one business listed, my demo SaturnText account, and this is going to be treated as my main business. So I would log into this, I would add my credit card details into this, and that's where it will specify where I want to bill to, if I choose to manage the payment for my customers and not do the reseller options. Now, at any given point, you can actually log into any of your customers by just clicking on the Manage button. So as you can see here, because this is an account that is set as a reseller, it will automatically inform the customer that they need to add their credit card information. Also, they'll be able to purchase additional credits, and based off of your commission percentage, that will actually be incremented onto this page as well. If you have multiple accounts, you can very easily switch through them. Obviously, your customers won't see that when they're logging in. This is only if you log in through the distributor portal and into an individual business by clicking on this manager button. Now, if I select to manage the payment for this customer, and then I go back and click on the manager button, you will see there is no indication at all about putting any type of credit card. This just takes me straight to this page. You can see real quick that the logo that I specified on the settings page is also updated on here. There is no mention of SaturnText here, so that's another thing that we do. We can also white label the tutorials for you. There is an added charge for that, but we can also add that onto the system so you can check that out. Basically, they have the same type of functionality. They just don't have a credit card section because you are going to be the one that is managing the credit cards for them. So that's pretty simple. It really just showcases the entire platform and how you can control both from the reseller perspective and from managing your clients. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We are always here and always happy to work with our distributor partners. Thank you.